All right, we're going to learn about geothermal here today, guys. This is one of the premier companies in town at the Home Show 2026. Stop by this booth if you guys got questions about geothermal. And what was it?
Indiana Geothermal.
Indiana Geothermal. And we're talking to
Donna Kyler.
Donna Kyler. So, how's this work? It seems like crazy mad scientist sort of stuff.
Okay, it's really difficult. So you have a refrigerator in your house, right?
Yep.
So a refrigerator is cold. Cold is absence of heat. So what your refrigerator is doing is it's taking the heat out of the box and it's putting it down at your toes at about 100 degrees.
That's right, yeah.
Right? Okay, so a geothermal system works around the same way. It was a refrigeration system, but the difference is that in Indiana, 5 feet down, it's 52 to 54 degrees all year round.
Really?
Yeah. So
5 feet down?
5 feet down.
Wow.
So what we do
Interesting.
is we go out and we gather the heat in the ground and we bring it in. And there's compressors and there's some technical stuff in there. But
Mad
we turn
scientist part.
Right, mad scientist part. But we throw it out of the vents at you at about 100 degrees in the winter. But it reverses in the summer and it pulls the heat out of the house and puts it back into the ground. And you're basically paying transfer tax for energy that you already have in your yard.
Wow.
Now, are you using water for the system, or what's
There is water in the loop, and it has a little bit of antifreeze in it. And the only reason it has antifreeze is because at some point it has to come up a little bit higher to get into the house.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's down there where it's 52 to 54 degrees.
How does it get from 50 something degrees to 100?
That's going to be a compressor. There's a compressor in there. There's some compression happening. There's some, science happening inside of there that kicks it up to the temperature you need. But you're starting with 52 to 54 degrees. Where if you have an air source heat pump that sits outside, today is what, 8 right now, 8 degrees? So it's starting at 8 degrees and then trying to get you heat in your house. So at the coldest days and the hottest days of the year, your air source heat pump is going to be the least efficient. Where geothermal doesn't know what the temps are. It only works with the ground temps.
Wow.
Do people see a difference on their energy bills?
Yes. So an air source heat pump, the best air source heat pump you can get is considered 250% efficiency. A geothermal system is 500% efficient.
Wow.
how big of a yard do you need to?
So there's a lot of different ways you can put one in. I mean, in Indiana, a horizontal ditch is the most cost-effective way to do it. Is you're putting pipe in the ground with an excavator. That's going to be the most cost-effective way. But if you live on a postage stamp, you can use drilling. So you can drill it straight down. You can also put it in a pond.
Okay.
You can use a boring machine and bore it under things like a driveway or something. But
cool.
There's a lot of different ways to do it.
That's awesome. Yeah, because Indianapolis has got tiny little postage stamp lots.
Some of them are. But you'd be surprised at how many geothermals are in Indy.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
We have one.
And do you guys also service them too, or?
So we're a distributor of geothermal equipment and a loop contractor. So we work with contractors across the state of Indiana. They install the box or the ductwork if needed. We're the ones that put the loop in the ground, flush the system, bring it in, and hook it up to the geo.
What's the cost difference between like a heat pump and something?
You're
like
going to be
this?
about 25 to 30% more an upfront cost for a geothermal system.
Yeah.
But it lasts twice as long as any other system. So a gas furnace or something is going to last about 12 to 14 years. A geothermal system is 25 plus years.
Love
That's
it.
crazy.
That's
Yeah.
crazy.
Wow.
Furnaces used to last 20 years.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Not
everything used to
anymore.
I've
last
seen water
longer.
heaters go 30 years,
Yeah.
but they don't make them like these two.
No,
No.
now it's like 8 years.
Maybe you're lucky if you get 8 years out of a water heater.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.